Now we have uniform beam of beam AB. Okay, let's say the beam, let us show it a little thick. We have the beam AB of total length 5 meters, mass 60 kgs, has a load of 40 kgs attached at B. What? So that mass, let us say it is acting here in the center. Mass is how much? 60 kgs, no?
Yes.
So 60 G will be the downward force at the middle point. And then has a load of 40 kg attached at B. It is then held horizontally in equilibrium by two vertical wires attached at A and C. So at B also we have an additional weight acting. Okay. So at B also we have a downward force acting. Weight, how much? 40 kg, no? So 40
Yes.
G will be the weight here. 60 G will be the weight at the midpoint. And at A and C we have the strings attached with tensions acting upwards. By modeling the beam as uniform rod and okay, so the tension in the wire at C is, so tension in C, let us say TC, tension at A, TP. So he's telling TC is 4 times TA. By modeling the beam as a uniform rod and the load as a particle, calculate tension in wire C. Okay. That's it. So let us start. Tension in the wire at C. So first we need to find this for A bit, and then distance CB. CB distance we need to find X. Okay. Ready? So first we need to take vertical, sum of vertical forces. TA is acting upwards. TC is acting upwards. 60 G is downwards. 40 G is downwards. Total should be 0. Now substitute the relation for TC. So TA plus 4TA. Okay, so this becomes, if you send to the side, it becomes 100G. So 5TA equals 100G. We cancel, that becomes 20G. So TA is 20G. Okay.
Yes.
So same way now, if you substitute in TC value, that is 4 times TA, we get 4 to the 80 TA. Sorry, 80 TG will be there, no? TC. If you want the value in decimals, you can substitute G value as 9.81 meter per second square. You will get it in newtons exactly. So A bit is solved. Then B bit. This is A bit. Next, let's go for B bit. B bit, we have been asked to find the length BC. So for that, let's take moment, sum of moments about the point B. So take all the forces one by one. 40G will cancel out anyway, correct?
Yes.
TC value we know. TC value is 80. Sorry, TC value is 80G, right? 80G into X. And this will result in clockwise moment. So minus. And then 60G into 2.5. Okay, and this one goes in anti-clockwise direction, plus, and then TA goes in clockwise direction, that is 5, TA into 5, then clockwise, so minus. So you need to find x. So substitute with this. TA is how much? TA is 20G.
Yes.
Give me a minute. Yep. So yeah. So do this and take this total term, take it to the other side. It becomes negative. G will cancel anyway. So 60 into 2.5 minus 20 into 5 divided by 80G. 80G will again cancel it again. So this is the value. Find it. Zero 0.625, correct?
Yes.
This is in meters, huh? Because all the distances are in meters, so this is also in meters. Okay.
Yes.
Solved.